Day Trading Edge, Episode 1 Introduction and Federal Reserve Rate Cuts and XRP Insights. Introduction. Logan Stryker, welcome to Day Trading Edge, your go to source for deep dives into macroeconomic trends, trading strategies, and the future of financial markets. This is our very first episode, and we're taking a unique approach. For now, I'm joined by ChatGPT, an AI assistant that will co host the show alongside me. But as we grow, this podcast will evolve. Real guests will join us in the future as the show gains traction. We've got tons of valuable content already in production, but we're going to release it in bite-sized pieces. You see, the reason for this is simple. We want to make sure we don't overwhelm you. Life is unpredictable, just like the markets, and this podcast will reflect that. We'll be adapting, growing, and adding new segments as we go, bringing in industry experts and thought leaders to explore topics beyond finance. From macroeconomic shifts to cutting-edge technologies like AI, automation, and beyond, we've got it all covered. You'll also notice this podcast is part of a bigger plan, community involvement. As we expand, we'll introduce ways for you, the listeners, to contribute directly. Whether it's through feedback, questions, or even suggestions for topics, you'll have a voice in shaping this journey. And of course, our goal is to not only keep you informed, but to help you stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving financial landscape. Federal Reserve rate cuts and economic impact. The recent zero point 0.5 percentage point rate cut to 4.9% on September 19, 2024, marks the first cut since 2020. The Fed made it clear that this move is aimed at stimulating economic growth as inflation slows and the job market weakens. But here's the thing. When rates go down, borrowing costs become cheaper, and that usually means more liquidity in the market. Historically, this drives money into riskier assets like stocks and cryptocurrencies. Exactly, and it's interesting to note that the Fed has also hinted at further cuts, which could have a cascading effect on other assets like gold, silver, and even real estate. It's almost like the perfect storm for increased market activity. And it's not just about increased activity, it's about positioning yourself early. When rates are cut, we usually see inflows into gold, silver, and yes, even crypto. This leads me to XRP, which I've been calling for a rise since it was sitting at 20 cents. XRP predictions and crypto market trends. Initial XRP prediction and market context. For a long time, I've been pointing out that XRP was significantly undervalued when it was trading around 20 cents. At that time, the broader crypto market hadn't fully recognized XRP's unique utility, especially for cross-border payments through Ripple's network. There was a lot of uncertainty surrounding XRP, largely due to the ongoing SEC lawsuit, but I saw the potential early on. Marketing integration. If you're curious and want to verify how early I was on this, you can check out my Day Trading Edge YouTube channel. Just head over to YouTube and search for Day Trading Edge, or click the link below this podcast. There, you'll find my earlier videos where I break down XRP's potential. Look at the upload dates and see for yourself how ahead of the curve my analysis was. ChatG, great call, Logan. It's always powerful for viewers to go back and see the timestamps on those predictions, especially now that XRP has seen such significant growth. Institutional adoption and XRP's long-term stability. With the launch of Grayscale's XRP Trust, we're not just seeing short-term price spikes. Institutional adoption tends to bring in long-term investors who are more focused on the fundamentals. Grayscale's other products, like the Bitcoin Trust, have played a huge role in the stabilization of Bitcoin's price. Now that we have a similar product for XRP, this could lead to greater price stability over time, especially as more large-scale investors gain access to XRP through regulated channels. ChatGPT, that's a great point, Logan. Grayscale's role in making crypto assets more accessible to institutional investors has already had a massive impact on assets like Bitcoin. Now with XRP, we could see a similar trend, where institutions bring in a new wave of capital that creates long-term demand for the asset.